Welcome to Autopulse News. Let's start latest automotive news. Number 1. Royal Enfield Scram 440 launched. Check price, features, engine specs. Royal Enfield has launched the Scram 440 in India starting at Rs 2.08 lakh ex-showroom for the trail variant with a force variant also available. The bike retains a neo-retro design with a round LED headlamp, a boxy fuel tank and an exposed chassis. It is powered by a 443cc single cylinder engine producing 25 HP and 34 Nm of torque paired with a 6-speed gearbox. Built on a half-duplex split cradle frame, it features 41 mm telescopic front forks, a rear monoshock, and a digital analog cluster. Buyers can choose between spoke or alloy wheels and multiple color options. Number 2. EV company wrapped for selling defective bikes. The Dharwad district consumer grievances redressal commission ordered a private EV farm to refund 3 customers for defective scooters along with 10% interest, rupees 50,000 for mental distress and rupees 10,000 for case expenses. Srikant Ratan, Savita Jadhav, and Pramila Nayak faced battery issues soon after purchasing the scooters, which stalled frequently and were not repaired despite complaints. The Commission deemed this service deficiency and an unfair trade practice. Citing previous directives on product quality, the Commission reprimanded the firm for its negligence. The ruling emphasized accountability in ensuring reliable products for consumers. Number 3. Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025 concludes, sets new benchmarks with nearly 1 million visitors. The Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025, held from January 17 to 22 across 3 venues, drew a record-breaking 9,83,522 visitors, significantly exceeding the initial estimate of 5 lakh and the 1,50,000 attendees of 2024. Spanning Bharat Mandap in New Delhi, Yashobhumi in Dwarka, and the India Expo Center in Greater Noida. The event hosted 9 concurrent exhibitions with over 1,500 exhibitors and 239 product launches, including 90 vehicles unveiling. It showcased cutting-edge mobility technologies. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the event, highlighting India's advancements in the mobility sector. The expo underscored India's growing global prominence in hosting large-scale events. Number 4. Hyundai Motor India localizes over 1200 parts and battery packs to boost EV manufacturing. Hyundai Motor India Limited announced a localization strategy at the Bharat Mobility Expo focusing on over 1200 parts and battery packs to boost EV production. In collaboration with Movies India, HMIL set up a battery pack assembly plant at its Sri Paramundar facility with an annual capacity of 75,000 units. This initiative has achieved 92% localization, saved USD 672 million since 2019 and created over 1400 jobs. The first model to benefit is the Hyundai Creta Electric, which will use locally assembled NMC and LFP battery packs. The strategy aims to optimize costs, enhance battery availability, and strengthen India's EV manufacturing ecosystem. Number 5. Automakers brace for impact of Trump tariff plan for Canada and Mexico. President Donald Trump's proposed 25% tariffs on vehicle and part imports from Canada and Mexico could disrupt cross-border automotive supply chains. Automakers like General Motors and Ford will would face higher cost, making it difficult to re-engineer production and potentially raising car prices. Analysts warn tariffs may reduce demand, leading to job losses rather than protecting US workers. While some see this as a negotiating tactic, the tariffs could immediately increase vehicle sticker prices by 25%. The industry awaits clarity on the administration's intentions. Support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. We appreciate you. Thanks for watching.